All right, Jane Box Breaks here is the 6th of March, 7:16 p.m. Eastern Time. We are doing a personal box here for Kay of 2016 Gypsy Queen. I'm going to let you pick your box, Kay. Fresh case. First one to get anything from it. All right, so it starts off, there's 10 boxes per. There's 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I hate picking it. Alright, we'll go to the middle. We'll do this one. They all got a lot of weight to them, so I got no clue. It is pressure when you do that to me. It's definitely pressure. Alright, well if it lags, dear, I'm sorry. Alright, you get 4 hits per box. A bunch of inserts, a bunch of cards. I'm sure you're familiar with the product. You get a little crayon box of the minis. I'm shocked you didn't pick up your Reds and Diamond Kings. They were cheap. We'll do your crayon box first. Let's hope for an auto mini. Alright. Darvish, Grishuk, Nola, Tanaka, Leonard, Bogarts, Bumgarner, Sonny Gray, Carpenter, and Kang. Good minis. None are numbered or anything. Good players, at least. No high numbers are usually short print, stuff like that. You're not a huge DK fan? Yeah, I like Diamond Kings better. You'll see it. You'll see how nice it is this year. You'll take them in the second case. Watch. What's up, Weber? Weber, it might be lagging a little bit, but it's been Breakers is running really slow right now. Yeah, I like Diamond Kings a lot, actually. It's one of my favorites. A lot of potential in it. $24 box cases, but I'm doing them as 12s. I think they're sealed, 12 sealed, and then 12 sealed. I won't know until I open it tonight. Yeah, it's breaking tonight, probably 9:30. I might push till 10 though, because my wife has a 2-hour drive where she's coming from. I gotta put my son to bed. Unless everyone wants to break it here in a few, and I'll do it then. Is it lagging, Kay, or are you good? I don't want to break the case if it's lagging right now. No way. Not a long case like that. Yeah, it's lagging. Alright, I'm not going to break it till later then. There's too many people on right now. Yeah, I'll try back in 20 minutes. I'll restart my computer too. Like I said, if my program's not lagging, it's definitely not me lagging. If my program's lagging, I know it's my end. Alright, let's see what we got here. Again, there's a lot of SPs and stuff. Reggie Jackson. You got a Trey Turner. It's George Springer. I like these this year. They're nice and clean looking. Killebrew. Yeah, Colton Wong. Number 250. On the gray border or purple border, whatever they're calling them. Derek Holland, First up, you got a Aaron Nola. Nice. There you go. Not a bad auto. Aaron Nola for the Phils. It's going to have a good year. All right, Roger Clemens. Not numbered. Felix Hernandez. Mike Trout, walk-off. You're watching who right now? Aaron Nola? I got to turn them on. I know they're playing your Reds. Kiermaier, you guys should have lost the first game. Our bullpen blew it. Mesoraco. Walk-off winners of Jackie Robinson. We got a Zimmerman, Jordan Zimmerman, number to 250. The Tigers. Purple frame. I see a red card down there. I don't know if that's a relic or that's a special auto. All right, Eckersley. Richards. First up, you got Rusney Castillo for Boston. Gypsy Queen game used. Mr. Rusney. 2 good hits so far. Curious what that red card is. Probably just a relic. Babe Ruth. Whoops. We got a gold of Rod Carew. That one's numbered to 50. 31 of 50. These minis always pop out on me. All right. Tulo. Juan Perez. Glove Stories. Tom Murphy for the Rockies. Pujols. Eddie Matthews. Keuchel. That one's numbered to 250 on the purple framed. All right, Alex Cobb. Freddie Galvis, another Philly to watch. And it is a relic. It's framed. All right, Kyle Waldrop. That's your boy. And we got Tanaka. 49 of 50 on the red frame. Tanaka. On the mini. Relic. Nice. 49 of 50. Nice hit. So 3 decent hits. Let's see what the fourth is. Jared Eichhoff. There you go. Luis Severino. On the green. That is numbered 97 of 99. I'm glad they're numbering cards this year in Gypsy. Nice. Usually don't number a lot of the stuff. Or you just got a good box. Ty Cobb. Casimir. Billy Burns. Eric Hosmer. McCutcheon. Power Alley of Delgado. Ryan Zimmerman. Flores. Wilmer Flores. Chris Bryant mini. I'm sure that'll be worth some money. Might be an SP. I have no clue. Number 79. And we got Frankie Montas. Luis Aparicio. And that's your box. Not too bad. Thank you, Kay. I will ship it out to you tomorrow. So you had a Chris Bryant mini, Luis Severino number to 99, Tanaka number to 50, Keuchel number to 250, number to 50 at Rod Carew, Rusney Castillo on the relic, Zimmerman framed to 250, Aaron Nola base auto, and Colton Wong number to 250. Good box. Thanks, Kay. And then, yeah, I should be doing Diamond Kings. I'm going to see if I can get the computer to stop lagging. I'm going to see if I clear my internet out, if it'll be better. And then I'm going to hop on and do Diamond Kings. I'll let you know if you want to watch. All right, and I'll ship it out to you tomorrow, dear. Thanks so much. Have a good one. Talk to you later.